screen.
Yep. That is a poster. I can read movie, thank you.
Well, they had to highlight it, otherwise you wouldn't know.
You'll never make the sin.
Okay, John, you didn't have to be weird about it.
Look at this, fucking Kevin Bacon. What, dude,
fuck?
he's just fucking jiving.
I mean, if this is D&D rules, that suitcase was a magic portal.
It's the least a bag of holding.
Did he just take his $75 and his cab?
Yep. Well, the attorney got the 75.
I'm hunting your bitch ass down.
But yeah, he just stole his cab, which he paid $75 for.
Shh, it's Daddy.
Oh yes, the 80s when every kid, boy or girl, had a bowl cut.
Shouldn't be.
It's universal, it's unisex.
You stole my cab. I've never stolen anything in my life.
My name is Inigo Montoya. You took my cab. Prepare to die.
Let me make it up to you somehow, huh, please? How about a nice hot dog and a beer?
No thanks.
Just a hot dog, then.
Is the hot dog and the beer worth $75?
Is this a coincidence or what? Have a...
This is hell. This is my day from hell.
You know, nothing grinds my gears worse than some chowderhead who doesn't know when to keep his big trap shut. If you catch me running off with the mouth, just give me a poke in the chops.
I'm getting ready to poke.
Oh.
Nope. You're getting a swift punch in the mouth.
Please, please tell me this is a Boeing plane.
Uh-huh.
What's going on is I'm in Wichita. We took off from New York. They closed Chicago and we landed here.
It was a Boeing plane. I almost died.
909 due to severe weather in Chicago.
Don't look so fucking happy about it.
Yeah.
Curtains. If you want to pick up the cab fare, I'll make sure you get a room for the night.
If you want to pick up the cab fare, you already owe me $75 for the last one, you cocksucker. Or I'll accept $70 and that beer and a hot dog. Take your pick.
Why don't cabs look like this anymore? It's got fucking hydraulics.
I can't help but notice that there's one bed.
Well, looks. Tell you what, I'll cancel that $75 if you sleep on the floor. Fucking, why was that ever a thing?
I'm sure that wasn't at all obnoxious for the people below them.
Either our upstairs neighbor is fucking a lot, or they use the bed.
Use it wisely, sir. Try the parts that count. Alright, listen here, I will fucking kill you. You're 3 seconds from getting punched in the throat. You're gonna be making that noise organically here in about 3 seconds.
The Chatty Cathy doll. I expect you to have a little string on your chest, you know, that I pull out and have to snap back. Except I wouldn't pull it out and snap it back. You would.
Alright, you swung at about a 10.
Telling these little stories. Here's a good idea.
Now I'm going to do some extreme sulking over here.
Now, I'm gonna come back to this bed, but you get to sleep on the beer side. You eat in the bed and you get it all over the place. You're literally the worst kind of person. Oh yeah, this looks great.
Gee, I hope not.
Let me guess, we have to ride in the bed.
Great, it's fucking Ellis from Left 4 Dead.
She's short and skinny, but she's strong. Her first baby come out sideways. She didn't scream or nothing.
Okay.
Hey, we're lucky we got a ticket.
Yeah, so,
Yeah, unfortunately, I'm in the cab and you're under the train.
You want to get together for a drink in the bar car?
I'm gonna get some...
Yeah, this was slightly more pleasant than my experience on a bus.
By the way, these were originally handcrafted for the Grand Wizard of China back in the 4th century. Now, these, of course, aren't the originals, but they are...
The Grand Wizard, you say?
They're selling for $5 a pair, 2%.
These earrings were made for Vermin Supreme.
Get going.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, that's fine. That's...
You know, it's just harder for two people to
Yeah.
travel, you know?
Yeah, sure it is.
And if you got
No, it's
reservations...
fine. They're just
Yeah, I know what
feelings.
you're saying.
No heal.
Yeah.
Give me someone to strangle. I will do it.
Crescent rolls and you do the cranberry. You know
Ma'am, I don't know if you notice. I am a 10 on the done with the shit scale.
And I really don't care for the way your company left me in the middle of fucking nowhere with fucking keys to a fucking car that isn't fucking there. And I really didn't care to fucking walk down a fucking highway and across a fucking runway to get back here to have you smile at my fucking face. I want a fucking car right fucking now.
He really likes that word, doesn't he?
I don't know why they keep playing that voice clip for the
I
music.
don't know either.
It's like the 4th time they've done it.
Can't you see we got an injured man down on the street? Now I'll move my
Yeah, I'm
car,
the one that did it.
but I want you to help him up. No! My pleasure.
No. Just run over me.
Just kill me, please.
Do you have any idea how glad I am I didn't kill you?
Do you have any idea how glad I'd be if you had?
I shall steer with my penis.
Boy, Neil was strapped in. What the fuck?
Hi, 80s. How are you?
Wonder how big of a hole their assholes ate in the seat. Look that way, Lenny.
Think about the rabbits.
That's fine.
That might as well happen at this point.
For what I'm about to do to you, you're gonna wish you were in that car right now.
I did not steal your car! And then you rented a car! And then you burned it up! I did not! I found it in my wallet! I knew you stole it! I thought you put it there! Why would I put it there? Kindness? Kindness? Give it back! I can't! Why not? Because! Because why? Because when we stop the gas up... And a Casio.
I'm gonna have to say goodnight.
What was that supposed to do? Yes, hello, wife. God has preordained that I will not be able to make it home.
No, I'm not kidding. There is physically nothing I'm capable of doing that will get me home. You're just gonna have to move.
Once again, my ear you wear is right.
So, honey, care to explain how you spent $1,500 and lost your hat getting home?
And you have a happy Thanksgiving.
Hey, you know it.
Master has given Dobby a sock. Dobby is free.
Home years. I've been home years. I've been home years.
Yep, I got it the first time.
But, like, did you really get it?
I don't have a home.
No.
Marie's been dead for 8 years.
How'd she die? She left me a note that says I'm dead.
Somewhere around here is my little baby boy.
Wife, I'd like you to meet your replacement.
That night, Dell burned down the house. Claimed he had no idea alcohol was flammable like that. But yeah, that's trains, planes, and automobiles.
I see.
That, Uncle Buck, and then one more John Candy movie film make my trifecta of John Candy films.
It's all good, man.
I think it's a wall.